Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. The Indus Valley people traded with the Mesopotamian civilization. The Indus Valley people traded with the Mesopotamian civilizations. Vitamin D is scientific name. The correct calciferol. Vitamin D scientific name is calciferol. At the time of Bengal partition, who is the Viceroy of India? The Lord Curzon was the Viceroy of India at the time of Bengal partition in 1905. To which country Christopher Columbus belonged? Christopher Columbus belongs to Italy. The plates of lithosphere are moved by which of the following? Convection currents. The plates of lithospheres are moved by the convection currents. Who introduced jizya tax first? Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak was the first person who introduced the jizya tax in the subcontinent. What is the common name of methanolic acid? Formic acid. Common name of methanolic acid is formic acid. Which country is the largest producer of nitric acid in the world? China. Largest producer of nitric acid in the world is China. The capital of Austria is Vienna. The capital of Austria is Vienna. Which separate the Tamil Nadu state of India and the Jaffna district of Sri Lanka. Ox state separate the Tamil Nadu state of India and the Jaffna district of Sri Lanka. What is Epsom salt? Magnesium sulfate is called Epsom salt. World Press Freedom Day annually is observed 3rd May. 3rd May is World Press Freedom Day annually basis. Who started Dandi March? Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi started the Dandi March. The Statue of Liberty is in which city? New York. The Statue of Liberty is located in New York. And the Statue of Liberty is gifted by France. The Straits Times belongs to which country? The Straits Times newspaper belongs to Singapore. Which country made first COVID vaccine? China was the first country who made the COVID vaccine. Which country has most satellites in space? America. America has most number of satellites in space. Which poet got Lenin Prize in 1962 or first time got Lenin Prize in Pakistan? As Ahmed Faiz was the first person who received the Lenin Prize in 1962. चील के घोंसले में मांस कहाँ से क्या मुराद है? के पास पैसा नहीं होता. Who was the father of the zoology? Aristotle was the father of zoology. How many countries are member of ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations? 10 are the total number of countries which include in ASEAN organization. An alternating current can be produced by a reactor can produce the alternating current. Who gave the three law of thermodynamics? Valdier Nernst gave the three law of thermodynamics. Who invented the first bulb? Edison. Thomas Edison invented the first electric bulb. Which institution launched the State of World Population Report? FPA is the organization which gave the World Population Report. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Kindly give your feedback in your comments.